Hello, my name is Adebayo, the head of research and chief learning designer at EasyDG. I'm also a course facilitator on Selling Academy. So, how well do you understand what the society is asking for locally and globally? How well do you understand what the industrial landscape is asking for locally and globally with respect to skills, knowledge, and competencies? And how do you balance this with the teaching and learning that happens in your classroom daily? There's a need that cannot be ignored because you want to prepare your learners for relevance today and to also meet an agile world. There is also topics. You have topics that you need to run through, right? How do you create this balance? You'll be learning this in this workshop. And I'll also be showing you how to build content. How to go from just subject mastery to context mastery and how to create powerful learning experiences that together can offer your learners the skills, knowledge, and competencies, right, that the society and industrial landscape is asking for. Through this workshop, you will go from just a teacher to a learning designer because you will be able to prepare your kids for social relevance beyond just exam excellence. I look forward to meeting you in the workshop. Bye for now.